There's the problem. It started.
So door lock is not showing up.
Yeah.
It's clicking.
See, there's no door lock.
You can hear a click.
You can barely hear a little click inside. The machine doesn't lock the door.
Shake it. And it might lock. No, still not.
So that's the problem on this GE, also known as garbage electronics 24-inch washer. And there is a solution. A new lock. First thing first is you have to get it out of your position and bring it out so you can work on it. So once the machine is out, you got your top cover, top lid, remove the 1 and 2 screws and remove the lid. You can't see it, but the switch is right there. So you need to remove the 2 screws right here.
Really short. Sweet.
Now, getting out the level switch. You can do a couple of different ways. One sec. You can remove this piece if you're working by yourself, but it's a pain in the butt to put it back on the rubber. So, what we're trying to do is removing it from the front. So, what I'm trying to do is one person is pulling as hard as they can on this drum, and the second person need to get to the bottom of the lock. Right there, to the bottom of the lock, and unplug the electrical connection. Oh, there's just enough space to unplug the 2 connectors. One is out and there's one more. Unfortunately, cannot film it from the bottom. And there are those 2 connectors, as you can see. Now time to attach the new switch. Yeah, alright, go ahead. So there's your old and new switch. So you just try to get it in the same position, and hopefully you can plug it in. Now that both connectors are in, just one, you hold it, and the other person puts the 2 screws in. It's easier with 2 people. You just and you line up your switch. And that's it, the appliance is repaired.
Wash. Speed wash. Drain and spin them or something. Yeah.
And there's a door lock is back in action. You fixed your machine instead of throwing it out.
Yeah.
Hope this helps somebody. See you guys.